Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be another video on my Waterpik Water Flosser. So welcome to my bathroom because a lot of people actually wanted a demonstration on how to use this product. So that's what we're doing today. So just another overview of this product. This is what it looks like. So the one that I have is called the Waterpik Water Flosser Cordless Express. And that's just an overview of it. So just to give you some information again about it, now it's actually on sale. So if you live in Australia, on the shavershop.com.au website, it's usually $133.20, but it's on sale for $49.99. So super great price in my opinion. Now it says it's battery operated, it's waterproof, portable, and of course cordless. So just to give you guys more information about like maybe why you should use a water flosser or not. So it says it's effective plaque removal. It removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. It gives you healthier gums. It's clinically proven up to 50% more effective for improving gum health than string flossing. How good. It removes plaque and debris between teeth and below the gum line where brushing and flossing just can't reach. It leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh and clean, and it's also great for people with crowns, bridges, or veneers. So when you do purchase this as well, you get two different heads. It has the dual pressure control on the front, so you can choose if you want it like more powerful or less powerful, whatever you prefer. As I said, it's waterproof and you can use this in the shower, which I absolutely love. It's lightweight, perfect for traveling and small bathrooms. It just takes 3 AA batteries and again 1 year warranty. So Waterpik is probably, I would say, one of the most well-known and also bigger company in terms of water flossers. So to use it, let's get into it. Let me bring you down. Okay, so you open this little compartment there, fill it with water. Close that back up. So my advice when you first use this is definitely use the less pressure first, because it does actually feel quite hard and your gums may bleed as well. So what you do, always start with it in your mouth and then just move it from side to side, and then you'll find that your mouth does fill up with water. So what I usually do is just let it either just flow out or I'll stop and then just spit it out. So whatever works for you. So this is really awkward, but I mean, you guys wanted to see the difference. So let's do it. Keep your mouth closed as well. So and then just go until the tank is emptied, or if you feel like you need to continue to do it, fill it up again and do it. To be honest. And that is it. Honestly, the feeling in your mouth, it is so fresh and clean. It's actually really, really amazing. I like this so much better than like traditional string flossing. I just find this super, super easy. Now your teeth will feel a little bit sensitive the first couple of times that you use it, so definitely keep that in mind. But like, keep using it because it is so, so good for your oral health. Like, I really recommend it, and especially if you're looking for a water flosser, grab it at the moment on sale, because who doesn't like to save money? So yeah, I know you can't really see anything because I keep my mouth closed. I just do the front of my teeth. I don't like put it in and behind. I don't know if you're meant to, but I just don't. This is the way I do it. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you have a water flosser, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. This one I honestly think is so great. In my previous video, and again, the only thing I would say is obviously the water compartment's quite small, so if you feel like you need to floss a lot, then you will have to fill this up quite a few times. But I mean, it's not a big deal or anything like that. It's obviously a quite simple, quick process. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.